What kinds of technologies should front-end programmers have? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What kinds of technologies are front-end programmers strongly recommended to have? Bootstrap, jQuery, and Photoshop. If you have back-end knowledge, you should also learn Ajax. What are those technologies, and what can they do for us? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Just like most computer technologies, HTML has many different versions. At this moment in time, HTML5 and XHTML are sharing the market. In the future, HTML5 will be the most prevalent. HTML mainly has two jobs: presenting information to users and constructing the basic web page skeleton. HTML builds on the foundation for the whole front-end program. Everything else is built upon or relies upon it. Therefore, the code quality for the whole front-end program depends on HTML's code quality. In the early days, HTML was also responsible for styling web pages. If the web page is simple, this is fine. But modern web pages have become far more complicated than before. If we continue to ask HTML to do everything alone, the entire HTML code will become extremely long and complicated. This means program maintenance and adjustment will be an absolute nightmare for you. Because of this, a new technology was developed called CSS. This assists HTML. CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. CSS will take care of web page decoration, while HTML only needs to be responsible for displaying contents and forming a basic page structure. Such a design has completely separated contents from style. As a result, program maintenance and adjustment have been made far easier.